Consider the set A is equal to collection of all order pair Mn belongs to Z cross Z, set of all integers such that n is not equal to 0, define for any order pair AB and CD containing in set A, define the relation AB related to CD if and only if AD is equal to BC. In other words, A upon B is equal to C upon D. Then check whether given relation is an equivalence relation. Now first, to show that, or to check whether it is an equivalence relation or not, first we want to show that whether it is an reflexive relation. Now for any order pair, suppose we take an example 1 2, then 1 2 is equal to 1 2, that is every order pair 1 2 is related to 1 2. So if we take arbitrary order pair, say AB belongs in set A, then AB is equal to BA, or in other words we can say that AB is equal to AB, and therefore given relation is reflexive relation. Now to check whether it is a symmetric or not, first again suppose symmetric. Now if AB is related to CD, we want to show that CD is also related to AB. Now AB is related to CD implies AD is equal to BC. Now we can write this as CB is equal to DA, and this implies CD is related to AB. So here, given relation is symmetric relation. In other words, here AB is related to CD implies AD is equal to BC, that is A upon B is equal to C upon D. So we can write this as C upon D is equal to A upon B, and therefore CD is also related to order pair CD is related to order pair AB, and therefore given relation is symmetric. Now next we want to check whether given relation is transitive or not. So transitive, suppose AB is related to CD and CD is related to say EF, then A upon B is equal to C upon D and C upon D is equal to E upon F. So this implies A upon B is equal to C divided by D is equal to E divided by F. So this implies A divided by B is equal to E divided by F, and therefore we can say that here AB is related to EF, and therefore given relation is transitive. Now since therefore given relation is transitive, so given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive implies given relation is equivalence relation. Next we want to determine equivalence class of say AB. We want to determine what is an equivalence class of AB. So it is collection of all CD containing Z cross Z such that AB is related to CD, that is here collection of all CD order pair CD such that A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. So for example, if we consider, if you want to determine equivalence class of say 1 2, then it contain order pair 1 2, then next 2 4, next 3 6, next 4 8 and so on, because each of these order pair, you can say that here 1 divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 6 is equal to 4 divided by 8, which is same as 5 divided by 10 and so on. So this is the equivalence class of 1 2 bar. Similarly, you can determine equivalence class of any order pair from set A. Thank you.